Andy Pierce, we're here Speed Week 2009, Bonneville Salt Flats. Start of the long course for, I think, the maiden voyage of the Golden Hawk. Tell me about this car. It really is something. Very loud.
Yeah, this is a maiden voyage, and it's also my first rookie run. The car has been a compilation of old theory and some new products, and really mostly donated by different people who donate what they do and do well. And so people like Aggressive Tube Bending, Yuri here, who's working with us all week, his company cut the steel and put it together. They don't build race cars, but they do now. It's been a long process, using people like Ken Waukee, Ron Ayers, and Ron Main, and many others to influence it. You know, and get it here and get it through tech was a bit of a challenge.
Yeah, what do you hope to do long run with the thing? What does this thing pencil out? How fast?
Well, I like that word pencil out, because I always say computer, but it could, if it will do what it could do, it could go about 330 mile an hour.
Alrighty, you got a diesel engine in there, how big?
It's a 3.91 Cummins diesel, and we have a single turbocharger on it now, and we have a set of twins to go on it when we get it shook down. We also have about 50 pounds of nitrous on board, thanks to NX Express and others who kicked in things. You know, it's all speculation until they do it. That's the biggest problem. You know.
Yeah. Where are you and the crew from?
Vancouver, British Columbia, and most of the sponsors are from there, and the people who constructed it. As I said, it was all donor sponsors. We don't have any money, and so that's how it goes. You know. It's really a spirit. You know, the Golden Hawks were a tribute to the Canadian Air Force for the 50th anniversary. I was fortunate enough to fly for about a heartbeat alongside them as a photographer with the military. And this year is the 100th anniversary of the Canadian Air Force. So they built a Sabre called Hawk 1 and painted it like that. And we, you know, it took us 8 years, but we built this. And this is also to be a tribute to them. So.
Right. What a great story.
We modeled it after two kinds of aircraft. One, all the World War II airplanes are built to the same formula, but the tail on this was done by scanning in a model of the F-86 and then scaling it to this size, and then Murphy Aircraft handmade it. The owner of Murphy Aircraft handmade it.
Wow. It's quite a collection of people that put together to build the thing. Well, hope you have a lot of success with it this week and in the future. Go fast and be safe.
And by the way, not only 100 years, but we have about 100 sponsors and donors.
Really? That's great.
Yeah, thanks.
All right.
Thanks to all of them, and to you, Mark.